guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I have a lentil crock pot meal for you. We're going to be making lentil tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, but before we start, I want to thank Tiffany from Small Town 6 and Jessica from Jessica My Rose. They are hosting this collaboration, and there's going to be a ton of other ladies doing their type of crock pot meals, and they are hosting this once a month, every last Wednesday of the month. So make sure you guys go check out all of the wonderful ladies, and please make sure you go check out the hostess and let them know that I sent you. And I can't wait to start making this meal. Today is gonna be such a busy day for me. I have 3 appointments pretty much back to back, and I won't be getting home until super late. I kind of overbooked myself today. And then we have a couple's date later on. So I'm making this meal for my kids because it's tacos. It's simple, easy, and then all they have to do is make their tacos as when they want to eat dinner. So I'm going to start with 3 cups of dry lentils. I rinsed them, and I'm going to put them in my crock pot. Got my lentils. I'm going to have 1 red onion. You could do any color onion you want. I just did 1. You're supposed to get a cup of them, but I like onions, so we're going to put that in there. Then we're going to have 6 cups of vegetable broth. There's that one. Okay. I'm going to do 2.5 cups of salsa. I don't really have that much salsa, so I'm just going to throw this whole jar in there. I'm also going to be probably adding some canned. Go ahead and add some diced tomatoes. Let's see if that focus. There we go. I'm going to be adding this in a second. For my seasonings, I have 6 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of parsley, or you could use a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley if you want. And then I have 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to be adding this in here, that in here too. There. Then I'm going to add apple cider vinegar. Shake this up a little bit. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Okay. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my liquid amino. If you guys don't have this, you could just use soy sauce or cocoa aminos, whatever you have. If you guys haven't tried this as a replacement for soy sauce, I recommend it. I really do like this, and my kids also like this too. And now all you have to do is stir this up. And smells so good. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious. All I have to do is put this on, and we're gonna cook it on low for about 8 to 10 hours. I will know when it's done is when all the liquid have evaporated and the lentils are soft. So this will make about 16 tacos, and you could use tortillas or hard shells, or however you guys like to make your tacos. And you can add whatever toppings you guys like. I personally like a little bit of lettuce, some salsa, and some avocado with some black olives, and 1 or 2 pieces of jalapeno peppers. Let me know what you guys like to put on your tacos. If you guys have a crazy combination, let me know. I like to try different ones. Also, don't forget to go check out all of these wonderful ladies who are doing this collaboration, and let them know that I have sent you. And if you come from one of their channels, I appreciate you coming to check out my channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment letting me know that you're new here. I look forward to get to know you, and I'll let you guys see what this looks like at the end of it and how it turns out. So it has been 8 hours and we have done our appointments. They all went well, and Jean has already eaten 1 small burrito, and on her burrito she likes to have tortillas, some refried beans, and some crumpled up chips. When she said that her first burrito tasted amazing, so she's gonna go ahead and eat a second one. And for Ryder's, we don't give him breads or anything like that, and so we got him some rice, some refried beans, some chips, and also I put some lettuce and tomatoes and his toppings on there. Once again, I want to thank you guys so much for joining with me. Let me know in the comments below what you guys like to put on your tacos, and share how you guys make your tacos. If you guys have ever tried a lentil taco before, let me know down below. This tacos were so amazing. I actually like it, and I'm definitely be making this more often. And please go check out all of the wonderful ladies. Thank you so much for Jessica and Tiffany for hosting this, and go definitely check out all their channels and like them, subscribe to their channels, and I'll see you guys next time.